Hello children, how are you? Hope you are safe and sound. This is Asha from Prerna Group of Schools. I hope you remember my name. This is Asha teacher, okay? Remember my name. Okay? So before starting our studies, what we will have to do? First we have to start with a prayer. You should start with a prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Now rub your hands, keep it on your eyes, remove your hands, slowly open your eyes. So after doing prayer, closing your eyes and doing prayer, what you have to do? You are fresh now, isn't it? Now we will sing a small rhyme. Small rhyme. Okay children? Yankee Doodle came to town, riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. All the girls and lasses are as sweet as sugar candy, as sweet as sugar candy. Shall I teach it once more? Shall I sing it once more, children? Let's sing it fast now. Yankee Doodle came to town, riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his cap and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. All the girls and lasses are as sweet as sugar candy, as sweet as sugar candy. It was a nice rhyme, isn't it children? Now you have to add this rhyme. You should see it again and again and you should learn this rhyme. Okay? Now we will go further. We will learn some new things today. Let us start children. Today I will be telling you about some activities which you do at your home. Okay children? Let's see the activities. Wash face. Go to bed. Take a shower. Sleep. Wash hands. Wash hair. Walk the dog. Talk on the telephone. Take out the trash. Let's see it once more. Wash face. Go to bed. Take a shower. Sleep. Wash hands. Wash hair. Walk the dog. Talk on the telephone. Take out the trash. So these things we will be doing at our home daily. Okay? These are the activities. Next thing what I am going to show is some vegetable names. Vegetable names. Let's see children. This is the drumstick. Drumstick. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Beans. Beans. Garlic. Garlic. Ginger. Ginger. Green chilies. Green chilies. Red chili. Red chili. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. Maize. Maize. Mushroom. Mushroom. Shall we see it once more children? Drumstick, cauliflower, beans, garlic, ginger, green chilies, red chili, kohlrabi, maize and mushroom. So these are the different vegetables. Okay. when mummy brings vegetables from the market, you should identify the vegetable names. Okay children, you should tell your mummy about the names of the vegetables. Next thing what we are going to learn is, we are going to learn the alphabets from A to Z. Okay, alphabets from A to Z. Okay, we will be learning about the capital letters. I'll be showing you the capital English alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Shall we see it once more? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So these are the English alphabets. I told you about the capital letters. Capital English alphabets. Now take your English textbook children. This is your English textbook. What is the name? Springboard Letters and Sounds Nursery Part 1. See it once more. Springboard Letters and Sounds Nursery Part 1. See children, you have done this homework, isn't it? This is page number 5 and you have done this homework. Now let's see the next page. This is page number 6 and you have done this homework also. These are the standing lines. Okay, we have learnt about the standing lines. Now let's see about the sleeping lines. Okay, what do you see here? There is a snail. Snail. And there are some flowers here. These snails want to eat the flowers. The snails want to go till here. How to go children? How they should go? Do they go like this? No, they have to go in a straight sleeping line. Okay, this is a sleeping line. What type of line this is? It is a sleeping line. Now let's see children, how does the snail go? See, you have to trace on this line slowly. Okay, slowly you have to trace on this line with pencil. Okay, like this. Slowly you have to trace it. See how I have drawn? The same way you should also draw. Okay, let's see the other line. You have to trace it on the line. See, take a pencil and start tracing. Like this. Okay, so you have to trace down all these lines. Understood children? Now open the next page. This is page number 8. This is page number 8. See what you can see here. This is a xylophone. Xylophone. What is this? It is a xylophone. What you have to do? See here, there are two sticks with which you can tap on it and make sounds, beautiful sounds. Now what you have to do here? There are some lines given. There is a green dot and there is a red color dot. You have to join these dots. Okay, like this. See here. See here, children. You have to join these dots like this. Okay? Understood? You have to join all these dots. This is a sleeping line, isn't it? Sleeping line. It is not a standing line. It is sleeping line. Okay? So you have to draw all these. You have to trace all these lines. Now, here down you can see red dot, green dot and red dot. Green dot and red dot. How you should draw it? From green dot till red dot. Okay? You should leave this space. Again, starting from green till red dot. Okay? Here also you have to do the same thing. Should start from the green dot and go to the red dot. Start from the green dot, go to the red dot. So you have to write this whole page. Which page number? Page number 8. Okay? Page number 7 and page number 8. You are learning the sleeping lines here. Okay, children? Okay? I hope you will be doing your homework for today. You have learnt many things. You learnt a prayer. You learnt a rhyme. Which rhyme? Yankee Doodle. Then you learnt about some vegetables. Then some activities. Then you learnt about the capital English alphabets and how to draw sleeping line in the textbook. Okay? So you should do your homework. I hope all of you will do your homework and show me, isn't it? Okay? Till then, for the next class, bye bye.